I'm starting this out with Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye really done me wrong. I had an issue with Bird's Eye with this same product. I purchased this tonight just to prove a point. I bought this and put it in the microwave oven, and then you dump it in your bowl. Now, I started to eat it. And some foreign object like this, and what's on the phone that I sent to Bird's Eye, oh, it's not big, really screwed me over. This is the picture of it right here that I actually sent to Bird's Eye, and they couldn't identify the origin of the product. Okay, well, their forensic team really went to bat. And me, I'm just the average Joe that got caught up in a scheme, as I call it, a scheme about Bird's Eye not really taking care of the people who buy their product. Me, I'm really, after 2 years of them, oh, we'll look into it, we'll do that, our forensic team is going to be taking care of this, and they cannot identify it. Well, gee, you know what, I did this. I can identify it as a piece of plastic just about like this. Look, there's the picture, there's the other picture. I broke up a lighter that kind of made me think this might be the picture of it. And I'm going to let Jennifer read the letter that I got. And guess what? Wait, it gets better. They dragged me out for 2 years and 1 month. Okay? I have Miles Davis lawyer firm. And they told me that we could have a case. I begged and asked them for all the copies of my report. Here, Jennifer, I want you to read the letter now out loud. This is August 18th. I received this. My time ran out for a lawsuit on July 3rd of this year. Read it up.
All right. It says, Dear Mr. Clifford, thank you for allowing us to investigate your claim. We appreciate the information you have provided to us and apologize for the delay in responding to you. Please be assured that we take complaints such as this very seriously and have partnered with our Quality Assistance Department in assessing the feedback you provided. When there is a claim for monetary reimbursement above the cost of product replacement, it is necessary for us to be able to conduct a full investigation. Our quality assurance experts examined the material you returned to us. Unable to determine the source of the plastic you returned, this returned foreign material does not resemble anything in our facility, nor is it known to our quality team. We regret that we were not able to determine how it was introduced to your product, nor could we provide you with a more conclusive result. Please be assured that we adhere to the strict guidelines set forth by a variety of government agencies for good manufacturing practices, internally. We also investigate complaints through visual and electronic monitoring systems, inspections of our incoming ingredients, as well as lab analysis. Based on our investigation, we determined that this incident was an isolated occurrence. In view of our stringent quality control procedures and without adequate monetary substantiation, we deny your request for monetary reimbursement. Sincerely, Jackie, Consumer Relations.
So it took a team of forensic people to look at this item that I sent to Birdseye/Pinnacle Food. Me, I don't know, I'm just the average Joe. I took upon myself to to really evaluate, to really check out what it could possibly be. Well, maybe nobody has a cigarette lighter in their pocket while they're working. And this piece here represents just about the exact same copy of what I have that I sent Pinnacle Food. They refused to give me the paperwork so I could have my legal shield, follow up on this and do it. But Pinnacle Food, Birdseye, I wouldn't trust them people because they don't care what's in their product. They just want the money and their lawyers are lining their pocket. I mean, I'm just the average Joe. I work every day. I'm a window cleaner, high pressure washer, and yeah, okay, I'm kind of a poor slob type thing, but I lost a tooth because of it. I have a dentist that confirmed, and I have urgent care that said I went in and they actually found a little piece of this plastic lodged in my back right molar. Okay, left molar. And my dentist is Carefree Dentistry and Carefree Highway here in Phoenix, Arizona. They said and they have x-rays to prove that my tooth was very fixable prior to this. And they just, he wrote a half-an-hour letter sitting there, and I presented that to Birdseye/Pinnacle Food, liars, to show, the product. Now, you take the steamer bag, you put it in the microwave for what, 2.5, 3 minutes. You then dump it in a bowl. It's supposed to be, something you dump in a bowl and you eat. Okay, that is almost the carbon copy of that. And they're like, oh, I don't really know anything about this. Oh, a forensic team can't do nothing. I don't know. Maybe they should have me working for them. I don't know. I mean, I determined what it was. The average Joe that was working there probably had a lighter, leaned over the conveyor belt. I'm sure there's a lot of migrant workers there. I mean, they probably had a pack of cigarettes, if they were lucky. And that's what happened. That son of a bitchin' thing got up into my tooth. It killed it. I lost 30 pounds. I've been sick. I spent countless money on getting my teeth fixed. I mean, I'm 61 years old right now, and I just kind of want to keep a little composure of what I am. I mean, I've done modeling. I did movies. I didn't need to be destroyed. And do you know how much it would have cost them, roughly? I mean, I lost 4.5 days' pay on one job on my window cleaning business. It's called the Pane in the Glass Window Cleaning. And I still work for Rebecca Sin. Sent it a letter, signed by him saying that I lost 4.5 days, and 4.5 days on that. It was $175 a day for my window cleaning on average. And 75, give or take, some nights are 110, 120 bucks a night on Chinese food delivery. I mean, I do it because I like people. I'm a people person. Maybe they should take a lesson and actually look at the people that buy their product. Some people are on welfare and really can't afford much. Like tonight, I bought this on sale for $2.19. Okay, but there's multi-millions of these on the market. So really be careful with your family and loved ones. Do not buy Birdseye, because Birdseye needs a black eye. They really do. I mean, if they could do that to me and say, I'm not giving you nothing, really? Seriously? I really legitimately lost all this because of their product. I'm going to have a t-shirt made. Don't buy Bird's Eye Pinnacle Food. And if they want to know why, it's going to be on the back of my shirt. Why? My name is Larry Clifford. My phone number is 602-575-4156. I just want my teeth fixed, please. That's all I wanted. And maybe like a little bit of restitution for what oh my God, I must have put out thousands of dollars in cost for the dentistry and painkillers and everything else. I mean, it's been really a really rough ride for 2 years and 1 month. That's when they gave me the letter. And my lawyers at Miles Davis said, wow, they actually screwed you over. Waited till like July 3rd of this year was at the ending of that. But I am going to look up Florida's laws because that's where they're actually based out of. See if there's a chance I could possibly get Florida to let me like do something so I could have a lawyer do it up there because I mean I'm on Miles Davis Legal Shield. Why the hell wouldn't they just give me the papers I requested for months and months? I was calling them 3 days a week. And I'm just saying, my name's Larry, and this is the last bag of Bird's Eye I'll buy. I bought it as my prop. I don't even know if I'm going to even eat it. I'm kind of afraid what might be inside. Please help your family. Find somebody local that sells something like this. You know, they're just really bad. I mean, really bad. Now I know they are. It's kind of not a good thing. I mean, I got a family. I have grandchildren. I have everything. You know, I mean, I want them. Just one. You know, don't read the package of what's inside. You may never know what you're going to get inside. You might get one of these. Large. Imagine if a little child, like 3, 4 years old, had this lodged in their throat. Probably wouldn't be able to tell you what's going on. And did they care? No, they just milked me all the way through, so I couldn't file a lawsuit. But that's okay. I think me slandering them is gonna do something, and I'm gonna put it everywhere I can. I'm gonna buy T-shirts and see what I could do for these type of people that want to screw people over. Big corporate lawyers, lying in their pockets, driving their Lamborghinis or whatever. Yeah, that's okay. And they have a whole field of migrant people that don't care. They get minimum wage. Well, gee, guess what? I found the source of it. Your scientific forensic people couldn't find it. I busted a lighter up and it looks goddamn close to me or what it is. Maybe you should do your homework. Or just stop lying. Bird's Eye needs a black eye. This is Larry Clifford reporting from home. Thank you very much.